Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today is going to be my fifth Halloween episode of my I try to follow someone's Halloween tutorial. Today I'm following a person called Madeyewlook. I put her name around about here, but yeah, I'm going to be following her one, and she does a Freddy versus Jason tutorial. She does have clothes painted on. I'm not going to do clothes painted on. I'm just going to follow the mask and the actual blood, because the actual Freddy Krueger style and the actual Jason style, because I actually can't wait to try this out because it looks really cool the way she's done it. I've watched it, I've seen about it, I'm like, that looks actually really cool. So yeah, I'm going to bring you closer and so we can try it out as well. So as you can see, you're a little bit closer. Yes, my hair is very different. It isn't a bob. My friend just chopped, you know. But yeah, let's get to it with the video.
God, I made a slasher masher. A slasher masher. I was just on Snapchat like, acknowledge my cool blood machete. Acknowledge it. Good evening. Or should I say good night. In this tutorial, I'm going to be going over a concept. I was praying that I was not going to stab myself in the eye doing with this hand, and I'm like, in this tutorial, I'm going to be doing a concept I've been wanting to do for a very long time, which is obviously Freddy versus Jason, quite literally. And this look also gave me an excuse to get one of these machetes with the blood in it. These make me happy. I actually did Freddy like years ago when I was pretty much first starting out, and I did it using eyeshadows only and regular cosmetics, and that's what I wanted to stick with for this look, even though like the whole chest is body painted. If you guys do not have body paint, you can still do this look. At least the face. The only thing on this face that you would need actual body paint for is the white underneath Jason, but you can go pick up the white at like a Halloween store. Everything else on the face can be done with regular makeup. All the products I use today will be listed somewhere around the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Starting off by losing the paint color that I need. And I'm starting on the Jason side first, and I'm making like an off-white type color by mixing white and yellow together. To discolor the mask a little bit, I'm using...
So she uses a white, but she just uses yellow. So I might, you know, do the face paint in just like a translucent colour. But I'm going to start off with white with the face paint right down the middle. Which is one thing. I know mine's white, but if I set it, it'll look kind of yellowy. Okay, she doesn't thing your eyebrows down there, she just goes over them with white. So this is going to be weird. Now let's see what she does next. So that's my whole face.
Using yellow eyeshadow and some light brown.
Using yellow eyeshadow and some white brown, do I? Right. Colour in the mask a little bit. I need to do a bit more yellow on there. I really do. This is gonna be really, really weird. Something like that to map up the hole. So let's see what she does next.
I'm then mapping out all of the holes using a regular brown eyeshadow.
Okay, so she's going with a brown colour. She's mapping out the things. So I'm going to try and mimic her mapping out of the things. Okay.
And going back in with an extremely dark gray, you could also use black eyeshadow to fill it.
Dark grey or black? I don't think I have the dark grey. I do, but that's kind of like a taupey grey, so I'm gonna, she said you can use the black.
In the holes. I'm using black body paint, but you could also use gel eyeliner or just liquid black eyeliner, and I'm filling in half moon shapes in the holes. This is gonna start to make them look more three-dimensional.
Oh my god, I need my mirror close up for this. Something that is a little bit scary. That is very scary to do. What she does next.
To give it a little more of an edge around the holes, I'm going in using gray eyeshadow around the darker side of the hole, around some of them.
Okay, so she uses grey around the holes.
And once again, just going in with the slightest little bit of white body paint, I'm adding a highlight to the bottom parts of the holes.
She has a white, really crap a white, which is really weird, and she highlights.
Okay, now that we just spent 20 minutes making holes on her face, go ahead and draw a black ring around your eye and kind of smudge that body paint in. I don't want it to be like a solid black because it is a mask and Jason's wearing black underneath that. So you kind of need a two-tone black going on. Just like for the earlier holes, because this is just a larger hole, I'm going in using gray eyeshadow around the entire edge, also making sure though on the bottom that I'm not doing it directly next to the opening because I want to make that edge of a highlight. For the
so she covers her eye. Okay, so what she does next is she goes around just the outside with the grey, not actually, you know, thingy, but she wants it as an edge of a highlight. So she takes the grey colour, and what she does is she kind of puts it a little, like, right there. You can see what I'm doing, I'm just putting white all the way around so it does look like a highlight.
Hockey mask markings, I am using red body paint, but you can also use red whatever. Safe for the skin though, not technically red whatever.
Okay, so let's get the red body paint and get a mirror and see if I can do this. Like, she doesn't feel them all the way in, but she does feel them quite a way in, so she uses it at the edge of the... Okay, mine's a bit lighter and hers is a bit deeper. Then she kind of does it right here as well. Does it a little bit deeper than mine, but it's a little bit deeper red, but I like it. It looks really cool.
To fill in the two straps on the mask, which I'm actually now realizing I never filled in that button silver. I'm using black body paint and would have filled it in as a silver button. And of course, just shading around it a little bit with some gray eyeshadow.
Okay, cool. Now she's getting a black body paint, which she's put in the kind of mask effect, so it's kind of like the holder of the mask, you know, so and then she goes around it, and she goes around it with some grey again, and make sure it really sticks out, you know. Yes, mine's not great, but it's the best I can do. Okay, it looks okay. This video is going to be very long.
Gray eyeshadow and highlighting it with some white body paint. Also, just like in the previous mask video that I just did, you're gonna want to shade around your mask. That way it looks like a mask and it's not just your face painted. You're casting somewhat of a shadow of the mask on your face, even though mask is on your face.
Oh, that's freaky. That is really freaky as shit.
I'm also going to link my old Freddy, which should show up in the corner like now, as I want to stick to the same kind of technique. That way if you don't have body paint at home and you're just having like red eyeshadows around your house for whatever reason, you're able to still do Freddy for Halloween. Or go to the drugstore and, like, you know, easily get eyeshadows. You know what I'm talking about? I'm rambling. The very first thing I'm doing for Freddy's burns is I'm filling it in with a very light red. You can use blush if you want.
A very light red. She says you can use blush if you want. Do I have a very light red? It's a rosy colour, so I'm going to put that and create the things. So let's go and create them.
You're then going to fill in each burn with a darker red, and you're just going to increasingly get darker each time, not filling it in as much.
Mine is not going to be perfect like hers, but I'm trying my hardest.
And filling in some of the edges using black eyeshadow, that way it gives it more depth to each burn.
From far away it looks really good, from up close it looks like a mess. Let's see what she does next.
And then just very simply running some blush throughout all the burns to give it more of a burned type look.
She runs a blush through the burns.
Because I wanted to keep a slightly feminine touch to it, I filled in my brow and then applied beauty makeup, which I'm using the same reds that I used for the burns. That way it all ties together and matches. Woohoo! Double Lexorcist in this video. I also continued Freddy's burns down my neck the same way that I did my face.
So I'm gonna go down my neck a bit as well because, you know, it's gotta be done. It's gotta be done. It's gonna be done going down my neck. So. She does the kind of body. I'm not gonna do that. I have just forwarded the bit where she does the top. You can actually sit there and watch it if you want to, but I've just forwarded it. Okay, what she does do is do red blood, but I didn't have fake red blood, but this is the completed look. Holy shit! Freddy one side, Jason the other. I absolutely love it. It's so cool. I can't do everything, right? You know, I'm just a beginner at this Halloween makeup, but I actually do like it. It just looks phenomenal, you know. I like it that what I've done because it looks like I've literally got a mask on. Like, it looks so cool. So this is my Halloween. I try to follow her makeup tutorial, Halloween tutorial. I hopefully do like this one. I like it. It's a bit spooky, you know, it's a bit out there, but I actually like it. If you want to go with half Jason, half Freddy, by all means, try it out. I know I'm a beginner at Halloween makeup, but oh my god, what I've done, I'm absolutely loving. From far away, it looks so good. From up close, it's kind of a bit of a mess. Nothing's ever perfect. If you're good at it, you're good. I'm just not one of them people that are good at it. I love the Jason, I love the Freddy. Please give the video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe down below to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!